I'm going swimming.
It's yours now.
Swimming.
Ah, ito pwede nga.
Swimming.
Kaya rin kami.
Swimming.
Let's try it underwater.
Swimming. 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 I like going swimming at the beach inside the ocean. I like how the water moves around me in motion. Surrounds me in the liquid. Get out, then I'm dripping.
Oh, hey Kyrie, you wear that mask. Dali, try sa underwater. Try natin.
I like going swimming when I'm in the
Yeah, galing nga. Abot mo na.
jumping off the deep end, but I'm looking
You need help? Nak?
Swimming is the coolest. I do it every summer. If
Baka
I
maluwag
go
eh.
swimming, to me that is a bummer. Hey, dude. Watch me
Ano,
jump
okay,
inside
Nak?
the
Come
lake.
here.
Hey, dude.
Tayo sa baba.
Yeah, I rule the money's lake. Hey, dude.
Tapa nga.
Watch out for the fish. Watch out for the
Kyrie,
sharks.
you under the
Check
water.
out my album Swish. Swimming. Swimming. Swimming.
Come on. Okay to pa ah.
Swimming.
Ibaba ko na ah. Kyrie, look at the camera. Nak,
What?
look at the camera.
I cannot hear.
Let's come here, go down. Go deep. You wear your mask. You wear your mask. Kasi bababa tayo sa ilan. Yay! Swipe to unlock screen. Kyrie, wear your mask nga muna.
Yes, boss.
Oh, and go under the water. Go. 1, 2. Look at the camera eh. Hindi, meron ka namang mask.
I need air.
You can breathe off while using that. Pita lang tayo sa ilalim mo. 1, 2, go down. Go deep. Bumababa eh.
I'm okay.
Ayan. Sa ilalim tubig niya. Hindi, walang connection. Try mo ulit. Ah, so dito lang talaga siya masisave pagka ano.
Dad, wawa.
Yan, ganyan lang. So don't breathe ha pagka ano. Galing underwater. Hey! Hey! Oh! This is the ball. Dink, 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 dink.
Dad.
Mangas oh. Sige, balance lang na. And you!
Where are you going? It's raining in Manila.
Oh, like that, di ba? Kailangan. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Uy, floating pala gusto nito. Yun, floating pala gusto nito. Galing ah.
Done.
Okay. Stand up ka na? Wabo. Ang galing naman. Pa? Opo. Ang ganda. Makita mo sa iyo. Look at here. Go here. Here.
Stand up ka na?
No. Go on. Look at this. Hello. Swimming si Kowa. Stand up ka na. Stand up. Stand up na. O swimming ka ba? O gusto mo floating ka lang? O sige, floating ka. Bakit gusto mo? Ganun ko. Floating. Yung stability niya.
A fountain.
Kailangan ba?
Fountain.
Pakisabi kay Cora.
Fountain.
Fountain. Ay pala, fountain. Sabi mo nga pa. Yeah, let's go there, let's go there. Para yung fountain mo open. Ano, Kyrie?
Fountain.
Are you okay? Nung tayo sa fountain na, buksan nila. Go, go! Oo pa. Kasi pwede naman siya ma-save na sa phone kaagad eh. Kaya check mo yung phone ko. Ayun, check mo yung kay Papa na. Kaya yung ko. Yung dad.